Hello, Sterile Processing Universe, and welcome to another episode of Real Talk with Bob Mars. We're going to carry on our discussion about Loaner Instrumentation today, and we're moving from the decontamination area to the assembly area. So it's really important that these instruments are inspected and assembled according to the manufacturer's instructions for use, so we know that the patient is getting the safest instruments possible. So when we're doing this, we're looking for the same types of things that we look for when we inspect our typical surgical instrumentation. We want to make sure that everything is present and everything is in proper working order, very, very important, and everything is clean. So as it's come through decontamination, all of the bioburden and film or anything that was on the instrumentation has been removed. And then finally, we want to look at quality. We want to make sure that the instruments do not have any type of corrosion on them, any type of excess or additional debris that was placed there by the manufacturer, whether it be tape or anything like that. So we're looking for beginning surface corrosion, pitting corrosion, cracks, anything that might render these instruments not safe for use on our patients. So it's really important that we take our time during this step and that we're inspecting each and every instrument and that we're packaging this instrumentation properly. So we're placing it in a blue wrapper or we're placing it in a container. And it's really important to understand that if you are containerizing your Loaner instrumentation, you want to make sure that that instrumentation has been validated from the manufacturer to go into that container. If it is not validated, you cannot verify in your facility the validation process. So you can't place something in a container that's not been validated, or you're turning your facility into a validation facility, which falls under the purview of the FDA as opposed to Joint Commission or DNV or whoever may be coming into your facility to evaluate your instrumentation. So this is a very, very, very important step. It's one that you don't want to overlook. It's one that you don't want to rush because, again, we're trying to provide the safest product that we can absolutely provide to our patients to ensure that they are getting a safe, sterile, and properly functioning instrument each and every time they come into our facilities without fail. We're doing this for the patient and for no one else. So we want to make sure that we're doing it appropriately each and every time. This has been Bob Mars, and this is Real Talk.